Today is the short topic that is about the water quality. One part of our pisciculture, that is water quality. Water quality is very important for the purpose of culture of fishes, because fishes is fully depending upon the water. That's why the water quality is very important to rear to culture the fishes. This is the introduction part of water quality. Find adequate water supply is the first step. Then it should be checked for quality. Means that first of all you can check the water, means pH, percentage of hydrogen ion, in between 7.5 to 7, CO2, then DO2, then TDS, means total dissolved solid. All these things are very important to check up the water quality, because oxygen take the fishes from the water. It means that we can take the precaution about the quality of water. If the water is very clear, the next point, that is, if the water is very clear, then pond must be fertilized, because such water have no enough of nutrients. Means what? If the pond is very clear or very pure, but the fish have the food by the way of plankton, means some fishes belonging food and feeding habit, the planktons. You know very well about the plankton, that is macroscopic unicellular plants which are present in water, that is called the planktons. Examples, that is the katla, rohu, grass carp, silver carp, all are the food and feeding habit of the planktons. It means that the water have the fertile things which are present in the water. It is very beneficial for the fishes for the rate of growth. If the water is very clear, it means that there is no food in the water. That's why we can fertilize the pond. If water is muddy, that time you can take the precaution, because oxygen level is very low, water is muddy, more and more problem arises for the fishes about the diseases, about the oxygen and all these things. That time you can set up the ponds or clear the muddy things which are present in the pond. Then about the water, if the water is bright green in color, some ponds, in some ponds the water in green in color, means light green in color, have the lot of food. Already I told that green is the nothing but that is the planktons which are beneficial for the fishes. But the point is that if they are more in number and more in progress in number, that is harmful to the fishes. If they are light green present in the water, are beneficial for the herbivorous fishes. Herbivorous fishes means labio, common carp, grass carp, silver carp, all are the herbivorous fishes which are the beneficial for the light green color which are present in the water. If the water is dark brown color, means acids which are present in the water, therefore that time one thing, you can change the water to 50% or added the lime in the water. One thing is that I would like to say that if the well is the best source of water supply, as water is available continuously and purity of the well is very good for the fishes. Next thing, that is the spring water is the underground water, the leaves the ground and becomes a spring that it flow away. Spring water is good for fish because it is usually clear and pure. We are giving the options of quality of water, that is, one thing is the well, one thing is the springs. And the reservoirs, you know about the reservoirs, it is the best source of water supply as water available continuously. Reservoirs means already we store the water in the Karadkhet dam or the Vishnupuri dam, all are the reservoirs. Siddheshwar, Yelderi, all are the reservoirs. Continuous water supply obtained from the well, obtained from the reservoir. Well and spring water have the well oxygen which are beneficial for the fishes. It means that the quality maintained